The hurricane is coming close to us. Hunter, hurry. Someone grab the flashlight too.
I'll bring as much food as I can. Now that we got everything, let's go to the basement. The hurricane is here, but we